Good afternoon and welcome back to another Coaster Crazy vlog here on YouTube. Yeah, we're not at a museum or an attraction, well, unless you can call a kids play park an attraction. Yeah, this is a very random video and you've probably seen the title. Is it a coaster or is it not a coaster? Well, I'm not actually there yet, it's just over there. I've seen a few of these, but I've never actually come up to one and actually had a go on one. Right, this is actually on Coaster Count. You probably can't make it out on there, but it's called RidgeRider, and there's a few of these around in the UK. It is basically playground equipment, but it's on Coaster Count as a credit. If you want to class it as a credit, you can do. If not, you don't have to do that. But yeah, it's a Sunday afternoon. We've got nothing planned. There's not anything open. It's just literally it's a chill day. We didn't do anything yesterday. Yeah, so yeah, it's just one of those. Just bear with us for a couple of months until we can find things to do. But yeah, we're in White Waltham, and their little park is called Woodlands Park. They've got one of the little zip line things just over there. The play park looks really good for the kids that obviously live in this area. And we noticed the cameras over there, security cameras. There must be like, what, 6 or 7 security cameras on that pole just there. But yeah, the coaster. Alcohol-free zone. Oh, it's alcohol-free zone as well. So yeah, but it's, you know, kill a couple of stones, kill a couple of birds with a stone. Is that right? That's not right, is it? How do you say it? Kill 2 birds with one, yeah. So we've come here, we brought Tilly out for a walk anyway. But yeah, you can see it here. Is it a coaster? But there's another one. We're going to go and get another one near. Yeah, there's instructions on it and everything. Yeah, RidgeRider. So yeah, I don't know who makes them. Tilly wants to go. Tilly, do you have a go? Is it a cred? I mean, I don't know. I don't know. I know a few people that would come out here and go on it, but yeah, there's instructions on it. It's 7+, there's an age limit. You can't do 2 people, you can't lie on it, you can't go backwards. But how do you basically push it? Yeah, you get on it. Right, I'll show you. you walk up here and then sit on it, and then it goes around. But I'm actually quite scared of stuff like this, so I don't know what's the best way to do it. Maybe someone film me doing it, but yeah, let's give it a go. Yeah, my chest harness is in the car, but there's like a lot of holes here to hold on to, so you can go either way. Obviously you can start up on the mound and go either way. I don't know. I'll pass you the camera. Right, now this is proper sketchy.
You're going the wrong way as well.
No, you can go either way.
All right.
You can go. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm actually bricking.
Do I need to push you?
No.
Ready?
Oh
steady.
God. Here we go. Cred time. Here we go. Ah!
Oh! Andy! Oops! You've got mud all over you, Andy.
Is it a cred? I don't know, but now I'm covered in mud.
I think you need to go the other way. Oops. Andy, you need to go the other way.
Is it a cred or not? I don't know, but it's dangerous.
Oh, shit. Good luck. Be careful.
I can't do it.
Take 2. Put your legs up. Here we go! Woo! No. Oh, you've got to get all the way round it. I'll push you round. I'll push you. I'll push you.
I did a bit.
I'll push you and you've got your cred. So the answer is for grown-ass adults.
Forget it.
No.
It's for kids. Yeah.
I will push you around it. Here we go. Hold on, hold on.
Oh my god.
Got mud on both
I'm covered. We gotta go all the way around. Push. Push. There's no grip on this seat. Ah! There you go, I've done it. Oh.
I'm glad there was mud there.
Yeah, oh my god. Look at my hands. Oh my god. Yeah, it's not a cred, is it? Oh my god.
I'm glad you wore your big coat now.
Yeah, I'm covered in mud. If you want to risk it for a biscuit, come try it out.
Turn around.
Oh god.
Oops.
At least it's open and it's free. So yeah, RidgeRider, don't ever do one. Trust me, that is the most terrifying thing ever. But there's literally, if there was some sort of grip or a bit of a seat on it, then it'd be all right. But obviously, because you can go both ways, it's a really bad design, that. But yeah, yeah. But even if little,
try again if you just
no chance. I'll come off twice.
Way.
No, I'm not doing it. You can see where all the people have come off it, all the scuff marks down here, where people have hit the deck. But yeah. Oh, there is another one near. I'm not doing it. Forget it. No, it's not a cred. it's playground equipment. Yeah, there is another one of these near Heathrow, which is where we were going to go to. But yeah, I just hope I haven't fallen in dog muck. Well, there you go. Is it a cred or is it not a cred? You tell me. But yeah, don't bother with them. Unless you won't get covered in muck. But anyway, hope you've enjoyed this very short random vlog where I've actually grazed my knee as well really badly. Look here, I'll show you my bad grazed knee. Oh, really bad. Look. Yes! Hardcore. No pain, no gain for your creds. Yeah, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Do the thing just there. Yeah, do that. Hit the notification bell for next time I upload another video, and if you can, get outside and find your creds. Bye for now.